Hi, I'm Madhushree. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make prawn green masala Konkani style. Let's start with what we need. You need a handful of coriander here, then 5 green chilies, small green chilies, a little tamarind, then a little ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, a little jeera, about a teaspoon, and 1 medium-sized tomato, a little coconut, grated coconut, and 1 chopped onion. I'm going to add the jeera. And then in the meanwhile, I'll fry the onions. Take a medium-sized kadhai and add a little bit of oil.
Blend all the ingredients except the onion and tomato to form a nice smooth paste. Add your chopped tomatoes and fry them till you see the oil separate from the mixture.
The tomatoes are cooking slowly.
Now I'm going to add the mixture. Start placing the prawns. I'm putting in 6 prawns, 6 or 7 prawns. Nicely pour the sauce over. Add some salt, and when it comes to a boil, it's ready to be eaten. So here's my Konkani style prawn green masala with some fluffy rice and a salad to go with it.
I'm going to serve my mum lunch because it's lunchtime now. Let's see how she likes it. How is it?
Very nice.
Is it too spicy?
No, just right.